best sources for data that you see out there? I know alternative data is, a really big topic in the investment space specifically.
Right.
But what kind of trends do you see in financial markets? Where are people getting their best data from?
Yeah, so basically the trend that I see the most in financial, so when I look at basically at like our like data, is people start to be aware of the economic impact in their finance, which means inflation, interest rate, federal fund rate, all of those data, and you can go, for example, to like US Fed website, SEC, etc. And I see a trend because before people were investing to grow their money, to go to retirement. Now people are investing to fight inflation.
Mhm.
And this trend is really specific. I saw this since 2000 and maybe 1 year or 2 years ago. I saw that those endpoint economic calendar, economic inflation, etc. I saw that those endpoints were like mostly hit. And I was like, but so normally people, like user query stock price,
Yep.
I don't know, income statement, etc. But those endpoint maybe 1, 2 user, but it's rare. And basically everything I saw a shift, and I think the market is shifting this way. So people start to understand that they have to not like invest to grow their money, but to keep their money and the power that they have to buy, for example, food or anything, because otherwise you lose money.
Mhm.
So I think the really big topic of this year and the next year will be how an individual or how an investor can basically fight inflation. So can have his money at least getting, because inflation of 7%, it's something enormous. It's we are talking about losing 7% of your money each year. So,
Yep.
so people now look at interest rate, and now they can put in, for example, in saving account and
Mhm.
get 4-5% in simple platform like any platform.
Really no
And
risk.
yeah, exactly. And so this is, I think this is the key. This year was, I think that was, I'm talking about general investor and small investor. That was a key to people to like really understand that economic interest rate and inflation are part of their to their life. So yeah, so basically, I think that trend will be something, and the second trend will be ESG. I saw a lot of ESG, so people start to get aware of our planet, where we are going, and they want to be self-aware of companies that have some impact.
Mhm.
So what they want is to know that they are investing in company that cares about Earth, that care about our future, and are responsible. So that's the two main trends that I see. And I can see directly because I see the query on our database, I see the like user, and I see a shift, and I see a real shift from last year and next year, and I see in the next 5 years that will be the main topic, because especially for like pension plan, etc., they want to keep at least keep their like, purchasing power.